Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Charanya from class Audi, studying my second sem in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering and Technology, subject Civil Engineering. Topic Force and Force System in Civil. Force and Force System in Civil Engineering. Introduction to Forces in Civil Engineering. Forces in civil engineering refers to external reference acting on a surface. Understanding force is a critical for designing structures that we can withstand various loads. Forces are typically categorized as external or internal forces. Here are the pictures of force acting on a structures: compression, tension, bending, torsion, and shearing. Types of forces in civil engineering. Common types of forces are compression, tension, shear, and bending. Compression force push and squeeze the materials together. Tension force pull the materials apart. Force systems in civil engineering. Force system consists of multi forces acting on a structure. Concurrent forces system have various that meet a common point. Non-concurrent force systems have forces that do not meet at a common point. Force coupled system. Many problems are simplified when we reduce the number of forces and moments. In concurrent system, we simplify the multiple forces into a single resultant force. For a non-concurrent system, we must also consider how moving forces creates a momentum. Equilibrium in force system. Equilibrium occurs when the sum of all the force acting on a structure is zero. Structures are in static equilibrium when they are not moving. Analyze force system to ensure structures are in equilibrium. Here you can see the examples. Example 1, example 2. No net forces object at rest stays at rest, Newton's first law of motion. And the other one, the next internal force object accelerates, Newton's second law of motion. Internal versus external force. Internal force are the forces that act with a structure. External force are the force that act on a structure from the outside. Engineering must consider both internal and external forces in structure design. The pictures of here. Force acting on rigid bodies are divided into two groups: external force, internal force. External forces are shown in a free body diagram. If unproposed, each external forces can impart a motion of translation, of rotation, or both. Application of forces in civil engineering. Forces are critical in designing bridges, buildings, and other structures. Understanding force helps engineers determine the appropriate materials for construction. Force also play a role in soil mechanics and fun- foundation design. The four main types of bridges: beam bridge, truss bridge, and arch bridge, suspension bridge. Force resolution and components. Force can be resolved into components along different axes. Resolving force helps determine their effects on a structure. Components of force are often analyzed in terms of magnitude and direction. Here is a problem. Diagram. Force diagram. Force diagram visually represents the force acting on a structure. Engineers use force diagram to analyze the effects of different forces. Force diagrams helps in identifying key forces and their interactions. The picture is here. Importance of force analysis. Accurate force analysis is a critical for ensuring structural stability and safety. Engineering uses mathematical calculation and model to analyze the forces. Understanding force system reduces the risk of structural failures. Conclusion. Force and force system are the fundamental concepts in civil engineering. Proper analysis of force is essential for designing safe and efficient structures. Engineering must consider various types of forces to ensure structural integrity. Thank you. I hope you like this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe.